always a problem, not a fool.
Union mandated Sunday fun day. Let the calls in the house, let the broadheads in the house. Well, 10-second Tom, he ain't gonna go 20. Hopefully them honkers stay wherever they're honking. Temptation is the devil. Ooh, hey. Well, we have smoke detectors. They're not working very good. Don't call the fire department. Your boy's cooking tuna. It's just a bird. It's just the most delicious bird that flies, the biggest bird that flies, the most abundant bird that flies, that's so comfortable they don't even fly. First dog that eats a crane beak. Bird watching's safe, even democratic, if you will. It's a good thing I like my tent way too much to start sending arrows through the roof. That would be cool though.
Circa 1943. That bullet to the leg nearly took him, but it took him to hurt.
All right, fun fact, actually learning in the classroom, if you will, the School of Hard Knocks. If you blow a very aggressive honker honk, cluck and moan, a moan and groan, a honker scream, the pterodactyls go back to Fred Flintstone land. Or they're just taking a wide circle and they're going to come back down and land on my head. National Crane Foundation, what do you do when they eat your dog?
Actually loan their kids out to people as laborers and then take whatever pay the kid earned. Parents might even satisfy a debt by apprenticing their kids to work off the loans. Think of it this way. Your dad loses a $100 Super Bowl bet to the neighbor.
Look, I ain't even lying. I'm sitting here just trying to watch Saving Private Ryan. Apparently it's not on Netflix, and I can't figure out if my Netflix somehow got switched either Japanese, Chinese, or something from the Middle East. Either way, there's no letters. It's definitely not English. Canceled Netflix. We're going with HBO. We're rewatching Game of Thrones. When the headlamp charges, we're going for walleyes. Alright, technically a new day coming up soon. Somehow still have all 10. Cheese is going into the dough. We're probably making tortillas. We're calling that one the hot honey tuna on sourdough. Get that at your local White Castle.